I'm Karen Ash, and I recovered from 34 years of migraine.
My name is Raylan Agel, and I had my own 10-year journey with chronic fatigue syndrome.
I'm Michelle Krij, and I recovered from 15 years of chronic pain.
I'm Howard Schubener. I'm an internist, a physician at Michigan State University.
I'm Dave Clark, president of the ATNS.
My name is Vanessa Blackstone. I am the co-author of the Pain Reprocessing Therapy.
I'm Dr. David Schechter. I'm a physician who's been working with neuroplastic disorders and chronic pain for decades.
My name is Lenise Sanders, and I am a nurse, and I'm a patient.
Yeah, hi. My name is Dr. Mark Lumley. I'm a clinical psychologist.
I'm Marion Owens, director of the Emovera Foundation in the Netherlands.
Hi, I'm Dan Buglio.
I'm shifting the paradigm by building a movement for change together with many recovered patients and professionals.
And I am shifting the paradigm by publishing a daily video on YouTube and Facebook, and I've been doing that for 6.5 years.
One key idea, which is that most people assume that if you have pain or illness, it's coming from disease or injury. But I want people to know that there's also the possibility of neuroplastic pain or illness from the brain.
The misinformation, the misdiagnosis leads them to be in a state of fear, a state of panic, a state of worry.
I'm helping people to access, experience, and express their emotions, their healthy, adaptive emotions.
We all have protective parts that need tending to.
I've interviewed hundreds of people who have recovered and just trying to get that message out of what works and that there are things that work.
My back pain, which had been unrelentingly awful at that point, that latest flare was 7 to 8 months long, it went away.
And we do research on this topic, and we've shown that we can actually help people recover from symptoms that modern medicine thought were incurable.
From being incredibly active in the military, from being an outdoor person, to then being housebound and not being able to do anything is by far the most profound thing I've ever gone through in my life.
Hearing another success story once changed my whole life, and I went from laying in bed 3 times a day to running a half marathon within a year. Once I thought, if she can do it, I can do it, and if I can do it, you can do it.
And I'm not there yet, but what this has done for me is giving me hope. The hope and the belief that if I could get 10%, 20%, 50%, I can get 130%. So I'm well on my way.